Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Microsoft advertising for Bing SEO traffic growth, detailed guide step by step clearly. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your credentials and click sign in. If you don't have an account, select create one to set up a new Microsoft account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address, create a password, and fill in the necessary personal information. After creating your account, you will be taken back to the Microsoft advertising homepage. Now, look for the Get Started button prominently displayed on the page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the subscription process. Next, you will be prompted to enter details about your business. Fill in the required fields, which may include your business name, website, and contact information. Once you've entered your business details, review them for accuracy. After confirming your business information, you will need to set up a payment method. Select your preferred payment option from the available choices. Enter the necessary payment details, ensuring that all information is correct. Next, you will have the option to choose your advertising strategy. Determine your goals, such as increasing website traffic or generating leads. Once you've made your selections, proceed to the campaign setup. You will be guided through configuring your first advertising campaign, including selecting target locations and audience demographics. Set your budget and bidding strategy for your campaign during this setup phase. After everything is configured, review your campaign settings to ensure they meet your objectives. Finally, click on the Launch Campaign button to activate your subscription and start promoting your website. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance regularly through the Microsoft advertising dashboard. Adjust your strategies based on the data collected to maximize your Bing SEO traffic growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.